He'll be Michelle Davis.
Welcome to our Indiana House of Representatives. This is one half of our legislative branch, our house, so a bit bigger compared to our state senate. You guys want to take a look at that chandelier, the biggest chandelier we have here in the building, and take a guess as to how many light bulbs are located in that chandelier.
142.
Lower than 142.
100.
Yeah, so there are 100 light bulbs in this chandelier to represent the 100 members we have of our Indiana House of Representatives. So, it's kind of a fun myth for the budget that the light bulb turns out to be bad luck for any of the 100 people sitting below. So we divide our research based on population. So Indiana has a population of around 6.5 million. So each of these shares, each of the light bulbs represent about 65,000. We are a part-time legislator, so our sessions begin in January of each year and wrap up in March and April, depending on the year. So they wrap up in April and odd number of years, and March and even number of years. So odd number of years, however, we decide any budget for the upcoming 2 years, which is why session tends to run a bit longer than that. Because they are a part-time legislator, they do have other jobs, backgrounds outside their time here at the Indiana State House. So people who have experience as doctors, lawyers, teachers, accountants, small business owners, farmers, even have a former pool player and a Elvis impersonator, which goes to show the wide ranges of careers you can have here in the state of Indiana. It is up to our Speaker of the House to assign people to committees based on what their background is. So if someone has experience as a teacher, they may assign to an education committee. Someone has experience as a banker or a small business owner, maybe committee of finances or businesses, things like that. That is the responsibility of our Speaker of the House. It is from this podium every year as well that our governor gives his annual State of the State address. So we heard of the State of the Union address that the president gives every year. Our governor gives a similar one for the state of Indiana, which is where you get that fun name, the State of the State. We look at our state seal as well. So our state seal is an official emblem that goes on the document. It's on all the casing doorknobs in the building, as well as back of the chairs and both of our legislative chambers. And how we talk about our state seal is we actually had changed the language around it in 2006. So, in Indiana first moved to the state in 1860. We sort of represented the expanding western horizon of the United States and on a diagonal angle. So if you look around, you might notice it doesn't go just straight front and back. It's kind of skewed. It's kind of at an angle. That 45-degree angle is put in here to make it a bit unique. The carpet in here is also specialty made for this room. So there are 18 stars on the outermost circle, and the carpeting here, and that star in the middle represents Indiana as the 19th state. The design in our carpet is very, very reminiscent of our state flag, which you can see right here. So there are 13 stars along the outermost circle in our state flag, 5 stars underneath the torch to represent the 13 colonies, and 5 states that came after the 13 colonies, and that star in the middle above the torch represents Indiana as an 18th state. The torch itself represents education, enlightenment, and being a good citizen. So our flag was adopted in 1916 to celebrate our 100-year anniversary of statehood. So the Daughters of the American Revolution had a flag design competition at the Indiana State Fairgrounds, and this was the only design, and it has been our state flag design ever since. We also have, if you see those windows on 3 corners of this room here, those look into the offices of our senators and their staffers. So every senator, all 50 of them, have a legislative assistant who is here full-time. They also have a press secretary as well. So all of our senators, all of our representatives, and all of their staffers have offices here in this building. So each of them get about a cubicle of space to work in. And the cubicles are situated around both chambers in the shape of a horseshoe. You can't see the windows and stuff because in the House because of the wood paneling that is in there, but you can here in our Senate. This is not an original feature either. So in the 1950s and the 1940s, there was a very popular invention that began making its way into homes and offices and kind of changed how we worked. Would anybody like to guess what that was?
What person?
Not necessarily. So it was technically invented before that, but it really...
Cold? Yeah. AC's up.
judicial branch of government, our final stop on the former portion of our tour today. This is also the most historically original room of all the ones we visited so far on our tour. So most of everything you see in here is straight from 1888, with a couple of the
someone getting interviewed. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, get ready to take a deep breath. Whoa! What the heck? 0.3 miles away from Chipotle. 7-minute walk from Chipotle.
Look, it's a circle. Right here, Katie. All the players. Maya, Therese.
Just talking. Isn't jaywalking?
AI.
Is it? Maybe it's not legal over here, but it's legal over here. What? Is it? Oh no, it's legal. What? You guys, it's Mary Poppins. It's Mary Poppins up there.
Oh, they got some food truck. No, they,
I
huh?
prefer not to have salmonella.
Public restroom.
Wow, this is crazy.
All right. Which way you want to go first?
Coach, everyone's following you.
Go here?
You're apparently the one that knows Indiana. Are you live streaming? Yep. You're live? No, you're not. We got a starving child in the back. I'm so hungry I can find 2 of them.
Yeah, we'll find something. It's here.
Wow, this is crazy. I gotta turn around. Katie, turn around. I thought I was about to die. I got so scared.
Wow.
What the hell is this? Look at this building right there. Is that a church? That looks like a church.
There's steam coming out of the underground steam.
Maybe get a
You right? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a cardinal. Oh, Robin.
You guys wanna rent out the pedal boat?
I want to do the Swan.
Yeah, that's the Swan boat.
Maya, be careful, Maya. I was looking at the... You were going down the stairs. Guys, you guys are playing right now. Be careful.
Just go across the bridge. Right there. Yeah. Were they checking out with us? No.
no.
Oh, I thought they came
The
back
ones
already.
there.
Oh, okay.
Are your legs good? Okay, good. All the ducks in a line. And these are the babies. It's a mom and a dad and baby duck. No?
I think so. The three are left behind. The three babies.
Oh, look, there's a whole bunch of them right here.
Yeah. They're lined up too, huh?
I don't know if any of them are smaller than us.
Yeah, they all look...
The ones in the back are smaller, right?
What?
Like all the way there, they're in the back.
I think they have two.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he tried to get on the boat. I'm not kidding you. He tried to get on the boat.